Hi friends, so I'm back with another exciting video. Well, for me, it's gonna be, for me, it's very exciting because I got a little package. Let me give you guys a little quick intro of like why this makes sense and why I'm like excited for this. I do have a video of the first time I ever went to get lasered, so I'll leave that link down below if you guys want to check it out. I had gotten 2 Groupons at 2 different locations because getting laser can be very expensive. I know sometimes people are like, oh, Groupon, those are just like the shitty places, but no, I went to Sev Laser for one of them and then to New Look Skin Center, I think was the other one, but I did get a total of 12 sessions and I got it for my underarms and then also my Brazilian, like the whole thing. Normally when you do laser, you want to do it every 4 to 6 weeks. Basically, you're just trying to weaken the hair follicle with time. I definitely recommend laser 100% more than getting waxed and then shaving, mainly because it's less painful than waxing and it's less tedious than shaving. So with laser, you eventually have little to no hair and then you end up having smooth and no ingrowns, which is the biggest thing for me. I'm pretty good in both areas. The only thing I will say is obviously you have to like touch up every 3-6 months. So now that I took care of that, I wanted to get laser on my arms and my legs, but when I tell you it is expensive, I mean, I'm not even kidding. Like I can't afford it. Like I could pay it, but I can't like afford it. It's too much. So anyways, I'm stoked for this because I'm going to be able to do it at the comfort of my own home, and then I'm going to be saving hundreds and then in the future thousands because it does add up. So I'm very hopeful, positive thoughts, positive vibes that this is going to work for me. So anyways, without further ado, let's get started. I'm not exactly sure if this is how you say their name, but Pinkzio, I hope I didn't chop it. They reached out to me and they wanted me to go ahead and try one of their at-home laser removal tools. They did go ahead and provide a $20 coupon for you guys if you guys want to check them out and you're interested in getting this laser at-home tool. Okay, so I'm gonna open it. The only area I'm not brave enough to laser is my Brazilian. I'm gonna have to wait for another Groupon. Oh my god, I could sit here all day with that. So this is what the package looks like. This is their home use IPL hair removal. Nice. Okay, so this is what the package includes. So we have a razor, then we have the instruction manual. I was thinking these were clips, but no, it's actually the shade to use. Okay, very nice. Oh, and they're foldable. That's cool. Then we have the actual device, which is this one. And then we have the adapter. Okay, so something to note, it says here in the first few weeks following the initial treatments, you will see some hair growing. These are likely to be hairs that were missed during treatment. So for example, they were lying dormant and not in their growth phase. So any remaining hairs, it said that the hairs should be finer and very light in color. We're gonna go ahead and do it. I have to shave my arms because I don't know if you guys could see, look. I'm pretty hairy. I'm gonna go shave, I'll be right back. So it's very simple to plug. And then it looks like this. Ooh, can you guys see the light? Treatment schedule. For optimal results, we should use this every week for 12 weeks to ensure that all the hair follicles are treated. And it says after the 12-week treatment, it is recommended to use it once a month to maintain the treated results. It's nice that you're able to do everything at your own pace. Okay, so obviously we're gonna start with the lower setting because we've never done this before, at least with this, right? I'm gonna put on the glasses. I was doing it so wrong. So we're just gonna do it right here. There we go, I did it. Oh my gosh, I'm so dumb. It smells a little like burnt hair. And it says to hold it for 2 to 3 seconds and then it's gonna continuously do the pops for you. Why do I say pops? The pulses for you. So it says on here, choose the comfortable level according to your skin tolerance and increase level from 1 to 5 levels gradually. Okay guys, so I got it down. The first trial was a flop, so now I could tell you. So first of all, when it lights like this, it just means that it's connected. It's like kind of ready to go, but it's not on. When you hold it and you press it, I'm like scared of it. Okay, so that means that it's on. That's like the first level, and then it goes 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th. So anytime it's green, it's like, okay, you're ready to go. Now I'm gonna do the next level, level 2, just so I could tell you guys how it feels. The first one just feels a little warm. Okay, that one feels a little bit more warmer, but nothing crazy. Okay, I'm gonna leave it at 2 levels, and then every week I'm gonna see if I could go higher. I don't want to like damage or do something wrong that I'm not supposed to do.
A few moments later.
You know what? Since level 1 and 2 was not bad, I'm gonna go ahead and try level 3. I'm just gonna see how much I could tolerate because I don't want to make you guys wait like so long to tell you, oh, this is how it feels, you know? Let's be brave. So now we're gonna be doing level 3. That wasn't bad. It smells like burnt hair, obviously. Okay, let's go to level 4. I think we got this. Okay, so I could kind of see the line. Okay, I don't know if you could see that white line. So I remember this happening also when I would get the Brazilian laser. Okay, so we're gonna try the last level, which is level 5. This is very bearable. That's level 5. I'm just gonna do a little bit because I already did my whole arm. Very excited. It is super easy to use. I can't even. I'm so excited. I will keep you guys updated. I'm gonna be taking pictures every week, just the growth. I'm gonna be doing also, I think, my legs, because I also really want to work on that. And then I don't know if I should do my upper lip, because I read on here that you could actually do that too. Okay, so I'm just wondering if I'm really able to tolerate 5, like I am, but I don't know if it's okay for my skin to do that. So my skin feels a little warm too. I'm probably gonna go down to level 4, I think. Actually, I'm just gonna observe it. And the next week when I do it again, I will see if I should be doing level 5 or if I should go down to level 4 or level 3. But as of now, we're good. And I'm gonna make sure to apply sunscreen on here. You're not really supposed to expose like too much to the sun. Obviously, because today was my first time, it took me, I'd say, like 5 minutes to do this, but it probably would take like 5 minutes for both hands. Okay, so I think that completes this video for right now. I will continue to use this, like I said, every week, and then I'll come back in like a couple months or so to give you like my final thoughts and like progress, how everything is going, and then I'll show you pictures as well, like I said, so you guys could kind of have an idea of like how it worked for my arms and how it worked for my legs. Thank you, Pinkzio, for sending this over to me. You have no idea how excited I am and how much I needed this. Ergonomic, whatever.
Your agent, you got it right, be my